Have you ever wondered why some people's skin looks glowing and young? The secret is in the night skincare routine. It is not necessary to use skincare products only at night. There is a whole skincare routine that must be followed morning and evening to achieve the best results. Why do we care about skincare at night? Repair time. During sleep, your skin repairs itself and regenerates its cells. Therefore, applying the right products before bedtime helps to strengthen this process. Better absorption. The skin is better able to absorb the active ingredients in the products during sleep. Protection. Some night products contain antioxidants that protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Why do we care about skincare in the morning? Protection from external factors. Your skin is exposed all day to external factors such as pollution and sunlight, so you need protection. Radiance. Morning products help to give the skin radiance and freshness. Makeup preparation. If you use makeup, the morning skincare routine helps to better prepare the skin for applying makeup. So, what is the ideal skincare routine? The skincare routine varies from person to person depending on the skin type and needs. But in general, the morning and evening routine includes the following steps. Cleaning, to get rid of dirt, oil and makeup. Toner, to purify the pores and prepare the skin for the following products. Serum, to provide a high concentration of active ingredients. Moisturizer, to keep the skin hydrated. Sunscreen, in the morning to protect the skin from harmful sunlight. Eye cream, night and morning to get rid of dark circles and puffiness. Additional tips. Choose the right products for your skin type: dry, oily, combination, sensitive. Be regular. Staying in a skincare routine is the key to getting good results. Consult a dermatologist if you have any problems with your skin.